The US is having a go at remaking the IT Crowd for American audiences yet again, third time's a charm, and all that, but original star Katherine Parkinson isn't really sure why they're bothering. It was reported last year that the sitcom's creator Graham Linehan will be on board for this latest American reboot and will write and executive produce the series. So when Humans and IT Crowd actress Katherine popped by Sunday Brunch today, July 22nd, you can bet she was asked about what she knew. Advertisement, continue reading below, which, granted, wasn't actually a lot. I didn't know about that, she said. It has been talked about before. In fact, I think they did a pilot before with Richard Ayoade in it, but I think yes, they must just be redoing it again completely, I would think. I hope Graham Linehan's involved, but no, I shan't be going out there because I'm sure they want young Americans. Host Tim Lovejoy also pointed out that the US has the Big Bang Theory, which is a kind of similar premise in that it's about a group of quite geeky guys and is also pretty successful in its own right. We were around before the Big Bang Theory, Katherine added. So when the Big Bang Theory came out, I thought, oh, that's kind of an American IT Crowd, so I'm sort of intrigued to know why they want to remake. You know, there's a little bit of you that's like, why are you remaking it? We made it, and, as anyone who's binge-watched the whole series all over again on Netflix can tell you, just us, the IT Crowd has really stood the test of time, and that's something Katherine acknowledges too. That's all credit to Graham Linehan. I think it is as well. I dipped my toe in recently, she added. I looked at it and thought, yeah, it is. Funny is funny, right? Katherine was on Sunday Brunch to promote her new play, Home, I'm Darling, which plays at the National Theatre between July 24th and September 5th. Sunday Brunch airs on Channel 4. Want up to the minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.